If you want to reject or decline phone calls using your OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro, all you have to do, as you can see, I'm receiving a call. To reject that call, simply press and hold on the side, on the stem of this earbud. So tap and hold, just like that, and that particular call is going to be declined or rejected. Now, if that option is not available or it's not working, simply go into the Hey Melody app on your phone and then tap on the name of your earbuds. Scroll down and find earbud controls, and then scroll all the way down and find long touch and hold for either the left or right earbud. They should work the same. So tap on that and ensure that decline call is selected. That's basically how to do that. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. If this video was useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Take care and God bless.